Justin's and Kyle's movie.
I'm Kyle and
I'm Justin.
on with the show. Here is a location.
In California, there are lots of major and moderate earthquakes. And now another location.
Each year, the Southern California area has about 10,000 earthquakes a year. Let's start a Q&A for a few. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a small or medium or medium hard or hard shake of earth. Earthquakes happen when the pressure between two tectonic plates is so intense that the plates shift their position suddenly, causing the earth to shake. After earthquakes, dogs have to smell out bodies or crushed sites are.
What kinds of faults are there? There are three kinds of faults. First one is the transform fault, second one is the normal fault, and the third one is the thrust fault. The transform fault is when one plate goes one way and the other goes the other way. The normal fault is when the left plate goes down and the other plate goes up. And the thrust fault is when the left plate goes up and the other goes down.
What is a tsunami? It's a big wave called the big one. Tsunamis can wipe out an entire city or more. Tsunamis are powerful waves that can travel at powerful high speeds across thousands of miles of ocean. Tsunami is Japanese for harbor wave. Japan has experienced more than its share of tsunamis. Fortunately, tsunamis are rare. About every 15 years, a major tsunami strikes the coastline across the wide region. 85% of tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean. They are difficult to detect before they reach land, which can make them deadly.
Can buildings survive earthquakes? Buildings need to be very strong and very flexible to survive earthquakes. A type of steel called steel rebar has been proven to withstand earthquakes. Also, it is added to the structural part of the building.
Until next time, the end. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a
small, medium.
What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a small, medium, or...
I forgot.
After dogs, Until next time, the end. Jinx.